Imagine a star so big that if it replaced our sun, it would swallow Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, and even reach Saturn. This isn't science fiction, it's Stephenson 2.18, the biggest red supergiant we've ever found. But here's the real shocker. Scientists can't fully explain how it exists. Stars like our sun have a lifespan, and when they get old, they expand into giants before collapsing. But Stephenson 2.18? It's pushing the limits of what we thought was possible. How can something this massive even survive? And what will happen when it finally dies? First, let's talk size. St. 2.18 is over 2,000 times the size of the Sun. That's so big that light would take 8 hours just to travel around it. If it were placed in our solar system, everything up to Saturn would be gone. Now, the science-breaking part, most red supergiants this massive should have already collapsed into a black hole or neutron star, but St. 2.18 is still here, burning bright, defying expectations. Scientists believe it's in the final moments of its life. Any day or million years, now it could explode into a supernova and possibly form a black hole. So what does this mean for us? Well, thankfully, it's 19,500 light-years away, so we're safe. But studying St. 2.18 gives us clues about the fate of massive stars and the mysteries of the universe. If you love mind-blowing space facts, hit that like button and subscribe for more cosmic mysteries.